washing machine's overflowing.
What on earth have you done?
I was just washing our front door mat because it was a bit dirty.
Lauren,
But I think I put too many things in there.
that's going to explode.
It won't. It's okay.
If I did that, you'd go mad.
Don't worry.
Right, well, talk about a thunderstorm, water storm.
In the kitchen in a
We'll have a
minute.
tsunami in a minute, a snowstorm by the looks of that.
I'm sure it'll be fine. I just
Right.
wanted to make sure our front door mat was extra clean because it needed a real good clean.
By the way, just quickly, because we posted the pram video, you guys only seen it today on here. We posted the pram video online on our TikTok, and people are saying that's bad luck to have to open the pram early.
It is.
I've never heard of that tell.
I've done it with all three of my babies. None of that bad luck. Wow.
Well, let's hope it's not bad luck anyway, because a bit late now. Oh my god.
Got a bit of a situation.
How are we going to stop? Hang on. This is ridiculous. I told you that was going to overflow.
I need a big towel.
Where's the towels?
Upstairs.
Right, you hold that.
Right, guys.
Whilst it's flooding.
They're in our wardrobe, you know? Like there's a big blue one I washed yesterday.
Yeah.
Yeah, go and get it quick.